Hello everyone, welcome back to TechMix. In this video, we'll show you how to get and install Java on Windows for Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, you'll need to install Java on your computer first. It's the program that lets those jar files run. Alright, to download it, you can open up a web browser on your computer and then go to java.com. Now, here you can click Download Java for Desktop and then download the latest version. Let's click that. You can save it anywhere in your PC. By default is going to be your Downloads folder. Once the download is finished, you can right-click on the XC files. Now, here you can read the license terms. You don't need to do anything else. Just click Install and wait for the installation process. After it's finished, you can press Close. Now, if you want to run a Minecraft server, you probably need to download the Developer Kit, or JDK, as well. So, you can go back to java.com, and here you can click on Developer Downloads. There's different versions here. I'll go and get the latest JDK. So, it's going to be JDK 25 for me. And then we're going to select Windows and download the x64 installer. You're going to save it somewhere in your PC. By default, it's going to go to the Downloads folder. After it's finished downloading, we can open up the installer. Right-click on it. Open. Now here, just click Next. You can change where to install, but you don't need to do that. So just click Next and it will start the installation process. Wait for it to finish. After it's successfully installed, you can click Close and you're good to go. But after you install everything and it still doesn't open correctly, you may need to run a program called Jarfix to fix it. So you can go back to your web browser and search for Jarfix. And then you can go to this website here, the one by Johan Luthman. Go ahead and download the .exe file right here. After it's downloaded, you can open up the .exe files. Right-click on it. Open. You'll see a small window saying it's successful. Click OK. Now you can try running your JAR file again and it should.